Alright, so like I said, we have prop guards, propellers, 3 sets because you have a set on the quad and on the drone, and the 2 sets there. And then I missed this part. So in here you have a prop tool, gets down under the prop. If you guys don't know what this does, this makes life a lot easier with these. You kind of get down under the prop and just pop it right off. They do come in handy if you mess with the little micros. They're a pain to pull that little thing off. Even on your whoop, this will work good. Comes with a screwdriver, Phillips head, and some extra screws, because you know you're going to lose screws, and these screws are really tough to find. Just have laying around the little tiny ones like that, so you're always going to want to keep that toolkit in here. And then if you pull up under here, we have an instruction booklet. Let's see what the booklet looks like. Looks like it's English, French, and Spanish. Okay, looks like pictures, good clean writing. Can't beat that. Usually these books are pretty not legible. This one's real clean and clear. So obviously you only need whatever language you're, you know, fluent with. So the whole book just has 3 languages. That's why it's that thick. So yeah, guys, so that's going to be the VK330 quadcopter. Like I said, stay tuned to the channel. We'll go ahead and get it maidened and see how it flies. Which I saw a couple reviews on this, and this is a really nice flyer. Check out eDrone, who does a really good review on this guy. And again, stay tuned to the channel, and we'll go ahead and fly this bad boy. So we'll see you soon. So guys, you saw what come in the package. Let's go ahead and it's cold out. I was going to go outside and do this review, but it's clearly cold. So remember, switch up or throttle stick up, throttle stick down. That does the binding. I like to go into the 3rd speed. Hear that? Beep, beep, beep. 3 beeps. And calibrate. From me messing with the toy grade drones, I've just always done this. So both sticks down and to the left. And then hold it until it does it. You see that? And it'll keep doing it. I usually do that like 3 times. Kind of lets it know it's calibrated. So let's go to speed 1. Again, we went over the transmitter, so you guys kind of remember what the buttons are doing here. We need to trim. We'll trim as we see fit. I went ahead and put the prop guards on. You guys see my beautiful little bunny there eating. He's probably going to run. But it's no harm to him, this little thing. But yeah, put the prop guards on it. Way if you bump something, you know, in the house. But I would take it outside and fly it, but like I said. So let's go ahead and we have the 1 button takeoff. Let's go ahead and touch that. There we go. Let's push it a little forward. Look at that thing hovering right good. Can't complain about that. That thing's pretty much locked in. Got a little drift to it. But let's go ahead and so it looks like our battery's probably going to be a little low. So let's go ahead and land it. We'll do the 1 button again. There it goes. And you can see. And then no worries. Let's go ahead and just switch out the battery. That's what we have 2 of them for. Go ahead and turn your transmitter off. Okay. Like I said, I've charged them, but I did utilize it a little bit to get to know this little guy before we did the review. You know, you always want to do that. So again, power on transmitter, power on the quadcopter, stick up, stick down, good to go. Let's go ahead and just again do that calibration. Down and to the left. Keep holding down to the left and keep holding down to the left. Okay. I feel like that kind of locks it in, like I explained earlier. Let's go ahead and take off again. One button take off. Oh, we're a lot peppier this time. Okay. Back in speed mode 1. That's why we took off faster. So it's drifting around a little bit. Okay, it's forward. I hear it has a center button on it, so I got that. Okay. It's going a little to the left. Let's get it to the right. Okay, seems like we're gonna be good there. A little bit, one too many to the right. Okay. It's gonna fly it around. Not bad, feels real good. I like the LED on the front of it. Got that bright white LED with those two little blue as the eyeballs, and in the rear you got the two red. Really nice. Let's try the headless mode. Headless mode is any way you turn it. Forward is forward and back is back. Kind of tilts a little bit as I can see it. Let's turn it. Okay, does work that way. Left, right, forward, back, and as you can see, the quadcopter is definitely in orientation, or you know, backwards. Oh, see what I mean? See what I mean? So let's get out of headless mode. So it's whichever way it's turned, forward is forward, back is back, and whatever, and it's drifting again. Let's go ahead and get that taken care of. Let's do a flip. Let's do a right roll. Okay, let's do a front flip. All right, back flip. Really simple to do the flips. You have a stop button. What this is, if you see it getting in trouble, oh no, 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 no. But do you see how it just drops and falls out? They have corrected that in other models where it will land itself instead of just cutting itself off. That's just in case you want to get yourself in trouble and just press and hold this, it's going to drop. Okay, we'll reset it here just to make sure. It did take a bump. Turn transmitter on. Little power switch on the side here. There we go. We're blinking again. Up, down, or you can go down, up. Either way you do it. Go into that speed setting 3. Down to the left. Hold down to the left. And one more time. That way we know. 3 times is a charm, right? Okay. Back to 1. Let's go ahead and push the 1 button, take off. For folding this guy, I thought I'd show this too for, you know, whoever may win this. Rear one's first. You see how the front ones kind of don't go away in. Rear one first, then the front. Rear and the front. And there you have it. I'll tell you what we'll do. Go ahead and leave a comment down below telling me you want in on this giveaway. One comment down below. Just ask that you subscribe to the channel. MD95TSI. Here we go. Just please ask that you're subscribed to the channel. That's it. No obligations. And stay tuned. We have quite a few more to give away. So, again, thank you guys for watching. And good luck to everyone. And please like, comment, share, and stay tuned to the channel.